What do you got there? You like carrots? Huh? Yum. Wait till you see what we're having for lunch. Mac and cheese. Oh boy. You'll eat that whole bowl. Just kidding. You'll have like 5 bites. Set the baby in front of the window. Babysitter. Yes. Haha. Say bye-bye, Isaac. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Isaac. Close enough.